Cano queta no coe no quepe. Chiamo quei moko tue moko fu. Kagbele slam moko ue moko fo.
Okay, so my name is Ide Ameyokom. I've been living in Dowenya for close to 50 years now, and I've been coming to Prampram, but today I've never been to Prampram lower before. This is my first time here, and there is a whole economy here. So there are people who are repairing the boats, people who are mending the nets, and there are people who are coming from sea, and the women are here to buy the fish. So it's a whole economy at the seashore on its own, and it's been an eye-opener, and I'll make another trip here another time. So I don't know so much about Prampram, despite the fact that I've been coming here, but you only come here and you go to the beaches, the beach fronts that have properly developed. So like I'm saying, I've never been at this part. I didn't even know there was a whole local harbour like this in Prampram. I know the Danges settle in this place. I know they are part of the Ga-Adange tribe that is across the Greater Accra region. But some of them equate my name Ameyo to be a Dange name. So most of the time when I introduce myself as Ameyo, people think I'm from this part of the country, but no, I'm a Botanian. So yes, there are nice people. It's just that the language is difficult to grab. So you grab a bit here, a bit there, and you mix everything together. So yes, even at the beach, like I thought people would get uncomfortable when you are filming them, but they were very much okay with whatever was going on. So yes.
Kagbele slam moko ue moko fo. Pamwe yin e ba fe bonu ba fu.